What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the transformation photo from this one to become this dreamy portrait like this. How to create this photo transformation. It is very simple, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the Google AI Studio, and here I am accessing it with the PC to get more spacious view. And this will be the home page of this Google AI Studio, and after that you can click this Try Gemini 3 and go to the image and click this Nano Banana. And after that you can start to try to upload the picture like this. And after that you can start to put your prompts like this, and don't worry because you can also copy this prompt from our description box, and you can also let us know if this prompt also work for you guys. Basically the prompt gonna be like this: a soft cinematic portrait with a dreamy atmospheric lighting and also warm orange and also teal tones blending gently across the face of this picture, and also subtle double exposure or reflective light effect creating the soft gold silhouette beside the subject, and also smooth porcelain like a skin texture with the delicate highlights. And also you can use the detail like the shallow depth of fill, and also gentle shadow and a calm introspective mood, and also soft diffused glow around the hair, and also slightly tousled and also illuminated from behind. Highly quality, artistic, moody aesthetic reminiscent of the fine art photography. So this will be the prompt that you can use, and after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result or the output down here. And you can also have the possibility to have the different look by using the same prompt, and it's still in the one theme of the double exposure photo guys. So this will be the another look, and if you like it then you can start to download it and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.